to tell a friend, watch the video. Now nation, we can see where Masicka drop a track called Autocrat, got a lot of people that talk about it, which this song wasn't a bad song, but a lot of people are say, yo, Masicka is the same flow and the same word them. You see me, I say, I use the same word play and all that. Him need to change him flow and everything. So it kind of give this song a really boring vibes when you listen to this song. Nation, we can see where also a lot of people are talk say Masicka this vibes cartel in a song, which me don't think that, because Masicka only answer to a definitely that this, but it's just where the song bad. But the same flow Masicka using, me I gonna let you guys know why Masicka using the same flow since he come up with that flow. And also don't forget to comment in the comment box and let me know what y'all think about this song.
Night bloody top dopey movie, tough shatter gun, maka baga rope it. Corner the pan like soapy. Parrot talk long, no we shoot it. That a newbie where fire shot a bust the loosely.
Oh nation, this is where you can check the song them and know so the song them is either